Channel. Today I want to share with you a new project I want to start, and that project is to create a Flask app from scratch, creating a Flask blog that would hold all my personal projects, my videos, my pictures, and all the things that I do in the internet. It will be my homepage. And if you want to follow this project along as a blind developer creates this kind of coding project, I highly recommend you subscribe, you follow this channel, and I will post every day a new video, a new tutorial about this journey, and you will see how a blind guy can develop a real world application. If you have any questions, any problems while you code with me, please ask. Ask in the comment section, and I will answer it. I will research every problem that you have related to this project. And if you have eyesight problems, if you are blind, low vision, please don't hesitate asking me, because I have a poor eyesight and I still love coding. I still love programming. Don't assume simply because you don't have enough eyesight, you cannot code, you cannot write real world powerful applications. You can, just you need little help. You need to know how to navigate through these tools. Fortunately, in this era, there are a lot of tools, a lot of convenient libraries that you don't have to write everything from scratch. If you are blind, low vision, eyesight problems, or you have any issue with this Flask project, please ask me. I'm waiting your questions. If you are a beginner, a Python beginner, if you want to create your own blog, or Python-based application, this is the home. This is the videos that you need. This is the series of videos. Every day I will post at least one video about a specific area. So if you are interested in that, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. I only have 700. So I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Help out a blind guy, a blind developer. Help out, please. So I'm using a PyCharm IDE. I created a folder called code logs, and the reason I'm magnifying in and out is because I have a poor eyesight. I'm blind, right? That's why I'm zooming in and out. So don't worry if you miss something while I zoom in and out while I code. Everything that you need will be in GitHub. I will link the project in the description, so you don't have to worry about missing out some line. Here is the code logs in the terminal, which is attached to the IDE. What you would do is, before you do anything else, you create a virtual environment. You create a virtual environment because you want to separate your specific projects from others so that they don't collide to each other. In Mac, I would create a virtual environment like this. Python 3, I'm using Python 3, -m, VNV, then you can name whatever you want, the virtual environment. I name it VNV. To activate it, you can use source env bin and activate. So you write source VNV or whatever the name that you gave, bin, and then activate. Or you could do, if you are using the terminal, period, then VNV bin and activate. It will be the same thing. The next thing I like to do in every project, regardless of the language, is to initialize Git. Git is highly useful. It's powerful. It allows you to track versions of every file and folder, so that you don't have errors or silly mistakes or anything. So I highly recommend using Git, installing Git and using it. So I would say git init. So we initialize Git, we created the virtual environment, and now we will install Flask. Now in the project layout, now we create an app. So we say app. I'm not using .py because I chose Python when I was trying to create here from this menu. So now we created app.py. We will import Flask from Flask, and then we initialize the app from Flask, import Flask. We also need render template. We also need a render template. At the bottom, in order to run the app, what we would need is name equal main app run debug true. Inside these two, what we will do is we will create routes. We will create routes that whenever a user wants to go to different pages, for example, index or the user account or about or something, right? So we'll say at app route, say /, then we say def index, and then we return the template index HTML, and also we want to give a title for the page. Okay, we'll give home. So in order the page to show up, we need to create templates folder. And it would be index. So in this HTML, in the title section, what we want to do is we will copy this and we'll say if title, if the user gave a title, else if the user gave a title, if the user gave a title, what we will do is we will show the title. Right, and whatever you want after that. I like to give my site name here, but you can write whatever you want after the title. If the user doesn't pass any title, what you would do is you would write the name of your website. I have like a website called codelogs.net. Inside the body, we will just write index. The right index. I think we are good. So in the terminal, what we would do is we'll say Python 3 a app.py, and then we will go to the index. As you can see, you see the index, the index page. If we see the HTML source, you can see the title was passed here, right? You can see home, and here's the index. Also, inside here, you can also see the title. It shows up here. Let's add one more route. We'll say at. We'll say about. Return render template. And then the title would be about. It will be about. You also have to create it here. So we will give here, since we already know the title, say about page. And we just write here about page. And if we go to about, as you can see here, we have about. What if you want to pass some data from the route to the template? You could say username max email max at example.com, and they say info about page. So what you would do is you will take this username, this user, and after about you say comma user equal user, what you could do is about page, under about page you write table t body tr td, say user name, and you say username, and we can copy and paste. Email and info, I think, was the last one. So if we go back to about page and refresh, you can see the username shows up, email, and about page. If you go back to the index, you only have index. So I think that would be it for this video. For the next video, we will work on more about creating more routes, creating database so that we have users, we have blogs, posts, and we will continue that. But before I close the video, what you would do is you would type Control C, and we'll commit. We'll say git status, and I don't have a git ignore, and I don't want to write it now. So what you would do is you just write get add. You would add all the files to the staging area, and then you commit to it. First commit. Probably not a good idea to have a git project without git ignore, especially if I want to post it in GitHub, but I will fix that. You don't have to worry about that because you're not sharing your projects with anybody. You're just using it to create and build your own blog. I will add the git ignore and filter out all the sensitive files that shouldn't be GitHub, and you will see the GitHub link in the description so that you can follow what we did. Thank you for watching, and please give this video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really need to reach that goal, 1,000 subscribers. And I will see you tomorrow for a new topic and new tutorial.